Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 ways to make your home look and feel super cozy for the fall. I love a warm, comfortable, welcoming home, so I'm going to be transitioning all of my decor from summer to fall today and taking you along with me. Before we get started, I want to give a huge thank you to Naywai for sponsoring today's video. I am so excited to show you guys all the new Naywai products I got for this season. You are going to love them. So more about them later on in today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm Kristen, interior designer and home decor expert. I'm sharing all of my designer tips and tricks with you to help transform your house into the home of your dreams through DIY projects, affordable home decor, styling tips, and home organization. If I can do it, you can too. Let's make our homes look and feel their best. Now, I have a ton of faux greenery around my home and I love styling with eucalyptus leaves and olive stems for the spring and summer. But for the fall, I'm going to transition all of that over to more dried florals and fall colors. So I picked up a bunch of these from the Target dollar section, super affordable. I got this little bunch from IKEA and this potted plant from Target. This is such an easy swap out that you can do to just bring that fall touch into your space. This is one of my favorite finds. I love that it's twiggy and natural looking, dried out, and the berries just work perfectly with the warmer color palette around the space. If you have vases around your home, you can just fill them with some dried florals and you'll instantly give that fall touch to your space. I'm doing the same thing on my coffee table and using this real dried floral arrangement I found at IKEA. It's super bushy and big and there's just so much layering to it, and it's the perfect thing for a coffee table. When you think about a cozy home, you usually think warmer color palettes, and this little simple change brings in that warm color palette that you'd be looking for. I grabbed a few more extra pieces from that bigger bundle and put together a little arrangement by my sink as well. You can do this in all areas of your home. I'm swapping out the little green stems that I had in my basket in my entryway and replacing it for these fall stems I found at Target. This is probably the easiest and most affordable way to bring in that cozy, warm color palette into your home for the fall. Now, I wanted to add a little fall touch to the fireplace here and bring in some faux pumpkins. I picked up a few new faux pumpkins, but I'm also using some ceramic pumpkins I already had. I love the warm, muted color palettes that just work perfectly with my home. This is one of my favorite pumpkins I got from Pottery Barn a few years ago. It's perfect for putting a candle underneath. If you have pets or anything, it kind of keeps it safe under there. But I'm creating a little waterfall effect down the step of my fireplace, and I just love the layered look it gives. If you're also styling your home with pumpkins, real or fake, definitely pick up different sizes, colors, and shapes to get a beautiful layered look. Adding this little pumpkin touch instantly made this space look and feel super cozy. Now, creating a cozy home isn't always just about decorating. Usually when I clean around my home, I use citrus and floral scents, but for this season, I'm swapping all of that out for some apple cider scent Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. This is a seasonal scent, so it's only something that you can pick up in the fall, and the smell is just amazing. When you spray it around your surfaces around your home, it will make your entire space smell like fall. I feel like scent has a lot to do with a cozy home, so I'm spraying down my railings, my bathrooms, my kitchen so that every room can smell amazing. I'm also swapping in the apple cider scented hand soap to my kitchen sink and my bathroom sinks. The apple scent is warm, but it's still fresh, so it's a great scent to have as a hand soap. I don't normally like to keep the original packaging out on display. I just use it to refill my existing soap pumps. Ooh, now let's get into one of my favorite things, layered lighting and lamps. Lamps are the key to a cozy home, and I have them all over my home. Different height variations, sizes, shapes, some are even dimmable. I usually like to keep all of my ceiling lights off, even at night. It definitely doesn't feel cozy at night when all the ceiling lights are on and it looks stark and bright. I love turning on my lamps in the evening so that they're ready for when it's dark. This is totally part of my evening routine. I even have a little lamp in the kitchen to let that space glow. So if you're not really into fall decorating, you can make your space feel warm and cozy for the fall just by using lamps. If you want to add a lamp in a space that doesn't have an outlet, you can easily do that now using this type of rechargeable light bulb. It plugs right into this little power supply box. You can tuck it away so you don't see the cord and it turns the light bulb on. It is the coolest thing I found off of Amazon and perfect for any space where you don't have an outlet or you don't want a giant cord stringing through your living room. Another must-have aspect to a cozy fall home is candlelight and fall scents. I love lighting this giant candle right by the front door so that you can smell it and you get that atmosphere right when you walk in. I love that it gives off that warm, cozy light and kind of twinkles. I don't always put candles all over my home because I have cats and they do jump up on furniture and tables and I'm a little scared something bad's gonna happen. So I opt for battery-powered candles, and these are some of my favorite from IKEA. They come in a pack of 3, they kind of twinkle just like a natural light, but they have a 6-hour timer. So you can switch on that 6-hour timer and it will go on for 6 hours and off for 6 hours. So you don't have to go around your home and turn on and off the candles. It's something that you can do once and walk away and they'll continue on that timer. They are the coolest thing that you can use inside and outside of your home and put in places where you'd love that candlelight, but you don't think it's the best idea to put a candle. Like open shelving. Having them up on this bookshelf just makes it feel super warm and cozy, and the battery-powered candles allow me to do that safely. A cozy home is all about textures and heavier materials, and throw blankets let you achieve that look instantly. There's something that you can bring out every single season, bring in new colors and patterns that way, and add that warm, cozy texture to your space. I always have this knit blanket over the arm of my sofa, and I love putting some extra cozy, thick blankets into baskets by the sofa. That way, if anyone else is there, they can grab an extra blanket, throw it over, and easily put it back. It kind of adds a design element, but also a practical element and helps soften up the space. You can also make hard surfaces around your home feel a little extra warm and cozy by throwing over a textured blanket. I'm putting this really soft one I picked up at IKEA over top of my dining bench, and it just adds, again, another design element, but also a cozy feature to the space. You don't always need to bring in the traditional fall colors. You can just bring in those thick textures and it will go such a long way. Nothing screams cozy home like board games. I love having this cabinet filled with board games in my living room so I can bring them out when family and friends are here and have a cozy night in. I have thrifted some of these games, bought some of them brand new, but they have created so many memories in my home, and that just screams cozy to me. If you're looking to create a fall cozy home, definitely build your game collection so that all your friends and family can come to you to have a beautiful night in. You can also add that fall cozy touch to your front door by just bringing in a cozy pair of slippers. Having that be the first thing you see when you walk in just gives that warm, welcoming feel. I love kind of matching my slippers to the space so that they don't look messy while they're sitting there. These are from Amazon and they are so comfortable. They have a hard bottom, but kind of like a memory foam top so that they really mold to your feet. I'm someone that can't walk around the house all day without shoes on, so these really help create a comfortable feel. Creating a cozy home isn't always about the decor. Sometimes it's just about what you're wearing and what you feel like in your space. I'm wearing all of my new Naywai loungewear, which is made to live in. It's something that I feel comfortable in my home in and wearing out. So thank you so much to Naywai for sponsoring this video. I shared Naywai products with you a few months ago and you guys just loved them just as much as me. I love that they are stylish, comfortable, and something that I don't want to rip off every time I come home. One of my favorite things they have is the Barely Zero bra, and now they finally come in a spaghetti strap version. These are the most comfortable bra you'll ever wear. It pretty much feels like you're wearing nothing at all, so you don't feel like taking it off when you get home. It's something you can wear all day long. It doesn't have an underwire and it's completely seamless. The best thing about these bras is they come in one size, and that size is your size. They fit from sizes A to double D with a band size between 30 and 40 inches. So if you fall between those sizes, this bra will fit you. It is the coolest thing. It will work with you as your weight fluctuates in all phases of your life through pregnancy, maternity. This bra will work with you. It's probably the best product I've seen made for women, and I love that you can style it as an outfit or just wear it under clothes as usual. I'm wearing mine under my Naywai Summer Moonlight jumpsuit. This is such a cute piece that just puts together an outfit instantly. It has that permanent tuck in at the front and flows at the back, and I just love the way it feels. Naywai means inside and out, so these little sets are perfect for lounging around your home and wearing out as a cute outfit. This is all from the laid back ribbed collection, and it also comes in different colors. I also grabbed this super comfortable stretchy shorts and camisole set and some active wear. These running shorts are probably the best running shorts I've ever put on. They're high-waisted, almost seamless on the top, and has the built-in underwear, so it just fits really well. I also got this beautiful active sculpt set. I love the color for fall. I got the biker shorts and the leggings, and they just fit so well. The seams are just placed in the right spots. Everything from Naywai looks and feels amazing. I know all of you would love the Naywai products, especially the Barely Zero bra. It is completely game-changing to me and always the first thing I put on every single day. So if you want to try out Naywai for yourself or someone you know, definitely use my coupon code KM20 to get 20% off your Naywai order. I'll leave the link to that down below in the description box. Another thing I love adding to my home to make it feel lived in and warm are books. I love styling my coffee table with an open coffee table book with beautiful photography. I love these home decor books that have amazing interiors, and you can kind of pull those warm colors from the pages into your space. I shop my coffee table books from HomeGoods or Amazon, but you can also pick up books from the thrift store just to style your open shelving. There's something about layered collected books that give this cozy, lived-in, warm feeling. Alright, so that's it for today's fall decorating. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope it gave you some ideas on how you can transition your home from summer to fall. Let me know down below in the comments if you plan to decorate your home for the fall, and if so, what is your color palette? I'll link all the different products that I used in today's video down below in the description box, and if you want to see more of the shopping process, where I find all of these great fall finds, I'll link a few of my fall shop with me videos down below in the description box. If you enjoyed watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!